Hey guys, Richard here, also known as the Wee Baker. Just going to start off this video by giving an introduction to the bread that I'm going to show you how to bake today. It's a very simple white yeasted loaf. It's the first loaf that I ever taught myself how to bake, so I thought it was a pretty easy way to get into the swing of things for you guys. It's all very basic. There's no proper equipment needed. There's no lanes, there's no granite slabs, there's no throwing the water in when you preheat the oven, none of that. Just pure and simple white loaf, good stuff. So if you're wanting the recipe to follow along, I'm also going to put it in the video, but it's credit to James Morton, Brilliant Bread, really good book. The first bread book that I've looked at and learnt from, and he's the one who taught me how to do my sourdoughs and all that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video and subscribe if you haven't, and yeah. So after 40 minutes in the oven, what do we have? We have a perfect, well, not perfect, that's a bad word, because nothing's perfect, but we have a beautiful loaf of white bread. It's turned out really well, and it's going to make some proper good sarnies tomorrow. So yeah, well, I hope you liked the video, and as I've said before, subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends. If you're on my Facebook, please comment with what you've baked and if you found this useful, and if you baked this recipe, then yeah, please let me know. I'm excited to see what you bake. Yeah, happy baking.